Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to fix bad video quality of Instagram story after upload. So what you can do to fix this is to head over to Instagram itself. And once you're in there, just click this profile icon right here in the bottom. And then click these three lines up here. By the way, this method works on both iOS and Android, so you can no longer worry because this works on both. Click on settings right here. And then in here you can see this account, so let's click on account. And once you're in there, you can scroll down until you can see the cellular data use, so let's click on that. And you can see in here and you must always turn off this data saver, as you can see right here. So if this is turned on like this, turn it off. And over here you can see this upload at highest quality. Make sure that this is turned on, so this will allow upload to the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. And once you're done with everything, just save them. And if you're connected to a Wi-Fi and it is a bad connection or it is not that fast, make sure to switch to another network or to cellular data that is faster than your current Wi-Fi, because the internet capacity or the internet speed can affect Instagram's qualities of video, so it may force Instagram to upload your photos and videos at bad quality because of your internet. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.